Do you want animated captions like this on your videos, whether it's on your long or short form content? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get captions just like this with only a few clicks of a button inside of Premiere Pro. I also want to say, because I keep it real on this channel, this is a paid tool, but this tool will save you a lot of time, especially if you edit for your own clients. Or if you post content yourself and you just want to save a lot of time when creating captions on your videos. The tool I am talking about is FireCut AI, and I have been using it for over half a year now. And the great thing about this tool is that they give you a 7-day free trial so you can test it out and see if you really want it. And after testing it out for a week, you can then decide if this plugin is worth it for you. And just to be straight up about pricing, it's currently about $34 a month for the Pro version. If you pay yearly, then it's $24 a month. They also have a starter and team option depending on what your needs are, but the Pro version is 100% worth it to me. As of now, I have not found a better caption tool, and it offers so much, like removing silences to your videos, removing filler words, adding zooms, finding B-roll, and so much more that makes the tool worth it. So if you're on the fence about getting FireCut AI, then keep watching this video because I'm going to be going through the caption tool in this video. So let's hop into Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have Premiere Pro opened up right here, and after you have it installed and everything, you want to go to Window, Extensions, and then FireCut. Now we have all of these options pop up, and this is what I love about FireCut. It has a lot of different things to offer, but in this video, I'm specifically going to go over the Captions tool, so we can click Add Captions. And if you have a very long video, and if you want a specific part of it only to have captions, then you can select in and out points, and it can render that specific part of your video. Right here, I just have a 9-second test clip, so I'm just going to do my full sequence, and there's also different language options. It's very flexible with what language you want. In my case, I'm going to be doing English US, and then I'm going to hit transcribe. And that only took like 10 seconds to do. It is a shorter video, but it shows your entire transcript right here, and you could always adjust it. And as you can see, it has all of these different options right here. I have about 7 different preset fonts that I've used for TikTok clipping pages content and even my own clients content. So really, you can just have fun with it and select which caption style you really like. For this test video right here, I'm just going to do this Hormozy font. And as you scroll down, you're going to see a ton of different options. You can change the font, the size, the weight, the alignment, the color, and you can even emphasize words. You can also adjust the outline if you want to add a box to your captions. The shadow I do mess around with. I sometimes like to have a less of a shadow on it. You can add emojis, wiggle, a tilt if you want that. There's also a new feature, you can remove profanity. And the most important part of this specific style is the highlight color. And I personally like to have a blue or a yellow version of the color. So I just click that, save and close. And then as you can see, it updates here on the side, which I really like. And if you use this specific style, then you could also have multiple lines and adjust line breaks. And as we scroll down, we start to see how we can render it. I personally always do rapid default. It makes it faster and it's pretty accurate. But if you want it to be more accurate, then you could just use original. And you can also select if you want these captions to be on a new track, or if I want it to be on the 3rd track, then I can select that. And right here, you can save your captions to a specific folder location. So if you want your caption files to go somewhere, then you can make your own folder for that. And in my case, I just have a FireCut Captions folder. So I'm going to go back up and we can go through the transcription so we can read through all of it. And if there's anything we want to change with like how we want everything to be adjusted, we can do that. And before you transcribe all your captions to the sequence, you want to go through and make sure everything is spelled correctly. And as you can see, my captions are on the middle of the screen. So what I can do is I can drag it to where I specifically want it. And I really like the look of this, of how I want it. Again, you can select any caption option you want. And if you're making a style that you know you're going to use a lot, you can actually make it into a preset. You would just click the plus sign right here and make a preset name and save it right there. So now I'm ready. I'm going to add these captions to the sequence. So for about this 10-second clip right here, it took about 20 seconds, I would say. And as you're going back through the captions, and if you accidentally see a word that's misspelled, you could actually select your specific part that you want. So I'm just going to say this. You can edit the selected captions, and then it'll show back up, and then you can quickly, if you need to add a letter to a word or remove something, you can quickly do that. And then you would just retranscribe it. And in the case, if you're getting captions for longer sequences that are like 5 minutes plus, to save time, you could use the turbo option, and that's of course for longer sequences. So that's definitely a good option to have if you have longer videos that you're wanting captions on. And I love this tool specifically for the captions, but of course there are a ton of different options that you can choose from for this tool. And this tool has saved me a lot of time when getting captions onto my content and especially onto my clients' content. So hopefully this video helps you make a decision if you want to get this tool or not. Again, there is a 7-day free trial you can use. So make sure you click the link in the description and you can download the free trial and you can make your decision from there. If any of you want to see me go through the other sections in the FireCut AI tool, then make sure you let me know down below and I might just make a video on it. I also have a free Discord community in the description down below where we all give free value to each other. Again, I said free, no cost at all, so make sure you join that. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video.